Hey, welcome back again. I am Danish Ahmed and welcome to my YouTube channel Blossom Event Institute, India's first aerobics teaching technique channel. So before I start this video, I request to all my new viewers, if you are new viewers in my YouTube channel, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Also like this video and share this video. So without waste of time, let's start how to speak English within a easy steps. So one after one, I'll show you the 3 steps. Let's start the video. So our first step, what we have need to speak English. I think we need to speak English first of all is in confidence. You have confidence, you can speak English, otherwise not. You have lots of grammar knowledge, but you can't speak English. So Swami Vivekananda says that the level of confidence depends the level of success. So first you have confidence to speak in front of people, in front of auditorium, in front of teacher, in front of your parents, in front of societies. So you can speak English. English is an international language. You can easily learn by TV, by mobile, by any kind of source. You can learn in 3 or 2 months easily. But remember one thing, these 3 steps. So first you have to confidence. Second thing, not I'll say in the confidence. Second is you don't need lots of grammar or knowledge of grammar. Initially, you somewhere you listen a cricketer number of time when gives the interview to the televisions or any other places, they don't use proper grammar. Okay, the second step is vocabulary, the reservoir of vocabulary. You have to know lots of words that use in your regular life, in kitchen, in house, in bedroom, in schools, in any other things that you use in regular life. For example, in your classroom, that teachers ask me, where is my presentee? So can you answer this in the in English language? Because everyone is know that 90% of the rural or urban areas, people want to teach their student in the English medium school, but they can't speak English due to these problems. So you have lots of grammar knowledge, you have lots of word knowledge, you have to be vocabulary. I suggest to all of you for the building your vocabulary is the most important book that I used. I refer to you without any cost. Please purchase vocabulary books, any other vocabulary books like in vocabulary, one-word substitutions, idioms and phrases, spelling, detecting, etc. That's come in the vocabulary. Idioms, phrases, one-word substitution is necessary to speak English because you can understand all the words in the one sentence. It is one-word substitutions or idioms and phrases that you use. In Hindi, we can say that muhavre. So according to this, you have confidence, you have vocabulary knowledge, so you can speak English. And third and last step to speak English is very necessary. Do practice. Yes, practice is a more important. I must say, use practice. When I start to speak English, so number of time I use articles, preposition in insufficient places. For example, the fridge, the chair, the fan, everywhere. But I don't know where the da is used. Yes, it's an article. But article is used in some particular places. The Taj Mahal, yes. The Wall of China, the Statue of Liberty, but I don't know. So yes, it's okay because man is a statue of mistakes. Yes, you can do mistake initially, but when you doing the practice more and more, and it is very important to you when you speak English, practice is necessary. You know grammar, you know vocabularies, you know everything about the English, but you are not in the practice. So same like a doctor without practice. They don't know how to treat the patients. So you don't know how to speak the English in front of peoples. So fear of lack of confidence, lack of grammar, lack of words. Yes, it is okay. Everything have 90% of people have lack of confidence, lack of grammar, lack of knowledge about the English speaking in our countries, mostly in India. But you have a practice in your house, in your schools, in your playground, anywhere you can speak English. More and more practice. Is that okay if you are doing a mistake lots of time? But okay, but you can do practice and improve your English. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel and share this video and like this video. Thank you.